Hi everyone, this is Samir, and once again I am connecting with you all with yet another PMP success story. So let's welcome this person who has diversified industrial experience, has been worked in different industries, construction, EPC, plant, IT domain. He has reached up to program level, having almost 2 decades of experience. He is none other than Mr. Satish Kane. He is joining me from New Delhi. Thank you so much, Satish, for spending your time with me. And also, first of all, I would like to congratulate you for this amazing success.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, I am very much thank you about your guidance, your support, consistently motivation for the PMP because PMP journey is not the easy target because it's extensive syllabus is there, even the 10 knowledge areas, 49 processes, again the current PMP, which is Agile also included and basically for predictive so basically I came from project management background, so the adaptive processes like hybrid and also that everything is covering, so it's entire vast syllabus is there, and the main your endurance which is for 4 hours exam, and you will get hardly 1 minute to read and choose the correct answer.
Hmm.
So that is actually the challenge.
Yeah,
So the PMP journey, it's not an easy task, but it's not difficult also
of
if
course.
the
Yeah.
consistent. Yeah, so if you study, so your journey for dedication, consistency, and toward focus for the target, and if you do a lot of practice for mocks, so definitely the success is near to you only. So my because I am not expert, you are the expert because you have developed many PMPs cleared. So that whatever
Yeah.
means the ideas you have given, so that only we have applied as an aspirant, and finally we come out through that. So actually, my background, I came from the power industry. After
Hmm.
that, industrial infrastructure, data centers. Then I switch over to
Yeah.
the marine industry, where shipbuilding and the marine projects like rigs, platform. So that that complex project management is there, and in that after that I come to again the data center, and now I am working in IT industry. So it's complete zigzag
Yeah.
domain, project
Yeah.
domain.
Hmm. Hmm.
And the major challenge, because what I have seen the PMP, because the what teamwork and the standard says, through that only you have to think and you have to give the answers
Sorry
to
for
crack the exam.
sorry for interruption. Sorry for interruption. I got to know you have a diversified industrial background and like IT, construction, and I think MEP, something plant. So you have been everywhere. So what was the like triggering you to come from this industries to another industries? Because most of the people stick with the same industries where they have a start, they end with the same industries. In your case, I can see you have diversified background. So would you like to share how it is happening and how you are getting the like opportunity to work from one industry to another industries?
So basically, my nature is I passionate to learn new things, because if you see once you will do consistently in the operations, the same industry,
Hmm.
so it's a repetitively job,
Okay.
and basically the new learnings which is there, because see my accidentally I switch over to the marine market, because that time in 2007 IT industry was down, this the recession was there.
Yes.
So that time shipbuilding, marine projects, that industry was up. So I switched over there. After that, 2017 again oil prices and all goes down. So that industry again. that was very difficult, tough time. So again, I switched over to the data center, industrial infra,
Mhm.
and after this COVID situation, again infra, everything is stuck, nothing is happening. So then I again switched over to IT industry where the work from home, even the it's not required to go site and do the work. So you can manage from the remote locations. The work. So as that perspective, I joined IT industry. I got opportunity in Tech Mahindra and I joined here. So currently I am at New Delhi where public sector projects are going on and I'm handling one of the project in that.
What I can summarize that economic situation give you opportunity to learn different industries skill, right? So that is a great learning, first learning from you, and definitely whoever will be watching, they will be going ahead in case if they are facing any problem in their current industry, they can try even in different industry. That is what I'm trying to emphasize here. Okay, all right.
Because
And
I just add one thing.
hmm,
I just add one thing. Because if you see, I am in the project management domain. So
hmm,
if you see, project management practices are all common for all industries.
same,
So
yeah,
little you should have some domain knowledge to
yes,
manage that activities, but the like scope, schedule, cost, even the resource, the stakeholder. So everything is common for all industries. And
true, true.
for managing, you have the project team, even some SMEs also under
Hmm,
they are associating with you. So it will be that can be manageable.
of
So it's
course, of
not like
course.
right.
And that is the reason PMP is most demanded and most acceptable certification everywhere worldwide and across the industries. If you are PMP certified, no matter from which background you are working, technically, you will be able to apply in different industries on the program level, on the project level, because PMP is giving you exposure to work in any industries, to show your expertise, to show your skills, and you will be getting your job, right?
Yeah, so even one thing what I found is good because in 2021 the PMP also they given agile flavor also because earlier it was completely predictive.
Yes.
So for IT industries, this PMP will really help because if you see the all even the hybrid approach also there, agile approach also there,
Hmm.
even the Scrum methodology. So that all flavor which is given now, it will be easy for PMP holder to secure even all manage all domain industries. So that is good factor is there now in the 2021 PMP. I can see.
This is a good positive feedback should go to PMI also about the new format PMP exam. Because when I come across with the people like you who are into preparation or have done their PMP, they have different opinion. Like many people I have heard from them, they were happy with the old format because it was completely based out on the traditional, and people who were into construction feeling quite comfortable with that contents. But like you said, of course, it is not easy for the construction people to prepare with this new format PMP, which is the combination of agile and the traditional, though it is difficult for the construction people, but at the same time they should be understand that it is a giving them opportunity come out from your construction zone and go and apply in different industries. Now you have a good skills, you have exposure on agile, you have skills on agile hybrid, you know what it is all. Now you are more confident, more skilled person to work in any industry. So this is what they have to understand, right?
Right, right.
Yeah. All right. So
Obviously.
good, good, good. So this moving ahead, you have a good diversified knowledge, skills, experience. Though you did PMP, so was there any specific reason? Why did you select to do PMP? Also, there are many more certifications in the market.
So basically, when I was in L&T, Larsen and Toubro Group, when in at the shipbuilding Chennai, so
Hmm.
that time only because I was focusing with the projects. So basically, that I come to know exactly about the PMP.
Hmm.
But I was not much idea because I was looking that time ship new build production units, and there they have given formal training, not cover entire all PMP syllabus, but little they have given the idea. That time only I come to know this knowledge really it will help. So that time only I started actually the thinking about the PMP. But the real things when in 2019-20, that time only it needs, because finally once you are getting once you will be more the experience, you
Hmm.
should have some certification with you, because PMP always it's a global credential, and it will add you the value in your career path. So that is very important. So that must be there. I think I will suggest the professionals, the whatever experienced people, because see, always you required now industries T shapes. Now I shape is not, because generalist is very important now. So you should have domain knowledge plus the project management knowledge also. So PMP will give it's giving complete technical knowledge, people skill, processes, and business environment. So these three things, it is giving you the complete idea about how to manage the projects, even the best practices in the world. So I think that will give you the different uh, focus to manage the projects. So that was there in my mind. So the PMP is a must. So that I think, and the workload and all, it was not managed actually, because once you will because in college you are studying is different, but in professional life you not have much time, not you can't focus also because of the workload also there.
Hmm.
But if you have that dream in mind and consistent focus, 3 months is good enough. Even if you go, you're not required. 2 hours per day study is good enough. Weekend you can do more. So like that, I also focus on that strategy. But and after that, it's completely as per plan. You also given me good plan. Accordingly, the Rita book, so one chapter, even the PIM book. So I read twice Rita book and one time PIM book. Again, the Agile Practice Guide also. I also that 150 pages, that also twice I have read. And mostly I focus on the mock test, because the what I learned, because I have taken whatever that training in other institute.
Hmm.
So that
Hmm.
mentor also was given me good tips. He told me clearly that the techniques matters, not contents.
Hmm.
So if you read more also, but the exam focus, because they have given the content outline. So accordingly, you have to think and give the answers. So sometimes techniques are very important to crack the exam. So
Hmm.
that I was looking actually, so that whatever the exam content outline is there, so that also I focus how questions will come, how
Hmm.
we need to answer accordingly. So that gives me more confidence to crack the exam.
So, as you
Like
told, technique matters, and I'm 100% agree with that. And I always say to my people, if you also been part of mentorship program, also would have been joined my 4 hours PMBOK 7 training. So, I have been discussing on the strategy. The strategy here, I would like to little bit focus on that. People, you cannot pass PMP exam if you are relying on one single guide like PMO, or another one or two books. You never pass PMP unless until you have the strategy how to crack PMP. Anything in the life,
Absolutely right.
if you do, but if you don't do with in the right direction with the right strategy, there is very little chance that you may success. If you want to increase probability to succeed in whatever you are doing, you must have right strategy. You must have to put in your hard work in right direction, because we all know, don't do hard work but do the smart work. So exactly here same formula is applied for PMP. So it is not about taking training, reading the materials. It is about having someone with you who can
Yes, yes, because
guide
definitely
you
mentor will give.
all the time. Okay.
Correct.
Satish, you can speak up on it. You are the better person to speak up on the advantage of mentor in your PMP journey.
Yes. So definitely the push is required because see, you will be engaged with the office assignments and but whatever track your progress, so that is very important. Someone is pushing. So always push is required
Yeah.
in this PMP journey. So definitely if you have some group, even that whatever WhatsApp questions you are posting 10 questions, that also it gives because somewhere you are connected, somewhere you are linked, and you will be your focus will be there. So really it was helpful. And basically mentorship, definitely it's helping people because it will give you the insight. Even it will be definitely it will be like you will be engaged in that.
And there is one thing you get in the mentorship. That one thing is the boundary, the premises. Like
Correct.
this is your premises, and within which you have to play. Very important to draw the line. Most of the people why don't pass after even spending 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, because they never know how much they have to read. They never have such confidence because no one is there to tell them, dear, you are ready. You don't spend more much time in reading and solving the question. There is a syllabus for this PMP, and it is telling you what you have to read. Okay, so read those things and apply the strategy. You will be ready for exam. Very important to manage the time, and if you manage your time, definitely time will manage your result. So, did you apply any strategy to manage the time?
So basically, what my strategy, because my another mentor also given me some tips. So what he has shared me that total 230 minutes are there for the
Hmm,
exam
hmm,
and 60, 60, 60. So you
hmm,
will get three slot
hmm,
sessions.
hmm,
So first sessions, because 80 minutes you have to complete that first slot 60 questions, and other 75 is good enough. If because sometimes what happen, the pressure is there because in the company you may tell that I am doing PMP, and so that pressure is there. What will happen if I fail?
hmm. Yeah,
How will
that
people
is
will
natural.
react? So
Yeah.
that pressure also is a developing. And
Hmm,
second thing, 40k Indian rupees you spend for exam fee. So if
yeah.
fail, it's
That's
gone.
also matters.
So
Yeah.
that pressure also there economically. So
Hmm,
definitely first 3 4 questions, if you not properly you not that meaning, if you not understood properly and some confusion came, then pressure is developing. So
hmm,
first slot, I mean that 60 questions,
hmm,
that if you take 90 minutes also somehow it's okay. So that is the time management because 80 minutes you have to complete one first session 60 questions, and after that 75 minutes for 2 sessions. It's good that time management will help. And the break must required some eatable items also to be carried out. So some chocolates, maybe some Tropicana, some small pack. So in that, I will suggest please take break, do refreshment, even that chocolate small 5-star one,
Dark chocolate
that
for
dark,
giving a good
that
energy.
also give, because your brain will act, your brain will activate. So and that strain also it is there, because 60 questions within that 70 minutes, with your logical thinking, your whatever you have gained, accordingly you have to choose that thing. So it definitely that stress is coming. So that will be released. So I will suggest better people whatever, because I also apply same strategy. I also take 2 breaks in between. I had that small eatable chocolates kind of thing. Take a water properly, and again in refresh mind. Again, I gone for the second session. So like that only I covered the exam.
Good,
So
good.
almost I think last question. I think I was submitted. Some 7 to 8 seconds was there
Left out.
remaining time last, and
Fine.
I submitted last, and I just waiting what is coming, and I sent the congratulations, and I think
What was
then
that moment?
I was very happy that
That was
everything,
the
my strategy
uh,
what I applied, it is success.
yeah, it was succeed. And let me brief what you said about the time management. Like exactly the same strategy everyone should have. There are 2 10 minutes break. Definitely, everyone should avail it. All 10 minutes should avail it. Walk around, take little water, or like Satish suggested, have some chocolate. This activate your mind, refresh your mind. Also, you can have you may do meditation even 2 minutes or 3 minutes to get even you can walk around. So I can say it is a gold mine for this new format exam, this 2 10 minutes break. Before this new format, it was one short exam, Satish, 4 hours without any break. Can you believe there were how much mental and physical pressure on the people? But that is why I have
Right.
said this is a gold mine, because during your real exam, 60 question, taking break 10 minutes. Again, 60 question, taking 10 minutes break. This is something really awesome. I can say I am thankful to PMI. It is a kind of support to the PMP aspirants. And that is the one of the reason you can see the result has been increased. Yeah. And the time management, of course, our mind takes some time in the beginning to adjust with the exam environment. And as a human nature, of course, we get into pressure. What will people say if I will fail? What our colleague will say if I will fail? If I will fail, I have to work again another 1 month, 2 months on the preparation. Also, I have to pay another 40, 50,000. That kind of pressure we all have, and that is we all have in the beginning. And as exam progress, your pressure decrease. So that is the reason in the beginning you may take more time. So don't be nervous. As Satish suggested, of course it is logical, you may need more time to solve your beginning 10 to 20 question. And that is what exactly I say to each and every member in my community, that guys, don't be frustrated if you are taking more time in the beginning, because your mind is going to take time. So thank you so much for giving this insight. And would you like to share something about PMT exam complexity, types of questions?
Yeah. So basically, what I got is mostly hybrids model questions were there, situational questions. I got mainly almost 3 to 4 lines questions were there.
Mhm.
And basically, I got more than 20 questions where I got, I have to select two two right answers. And there was, I think, three questions where I had to select three. So like that, it was there some mind that context kind of also there, that the grid kind of that also there. One graph also was there. Through that, you have to see exactly where the project condition is there. So that one
That is
was
the
there.
hotspot type question. Hotspot.
Yes,
Selecting a
hotspot type.
particular
So
location where you find the exact answer is.
correct, correct. So
So you
that
found one
two
question,
questions were there.
two question you found.
Yeah,
Yes, hotspot.
yeah. So two questions I got,
Hmm.
and basically there was only calculation. Only one was there.
What was
EVM.
that? EVM based.
Yes, EVM based.
Okay.
So
So
other
when you
nothing,
solve that
and
question,
mostly all questions. Some questions, almost 8 to 10 questions was lengthy, almost the paragraph type. But they are just given some story kind of thing. The actual last two lines were actually what they are asking. So that was the important thing. So as a technique, what I have seen, the key, I mean, so what they are asking actually, the key words, that only I first observed, and accordingly then through strike through I choose the best answers. So that strategy only I have applied. Because the keywords is very important. You have to, that highlighter is there. There also you can highlight it so that
just hold
it
on.
will be
Just hold on.
again.
Okay, Satish, just give one last mantra for the people who will be watching this video
So,
so that they can getting this conversation useful.
so what I was focused was actually the consistency and dedication. Because if you have dream, definitely you have to clear it. That is only the thing. And the consistency, dedication, and whatever you keep, you whatever the plan is there, so following the plan is very important. So the agile is telling different mindset. So it says that rather than plan, you should have interaction and all that. That is different. But for the PMP, at least whatever plan is there, so you have to strictly follow. And definitely, if your consistency and dedication is there, definitely success is yours.
Very good point, Satish. I want to add one thing on what you said. See,
Yeah. So it's
what
accept
does
change
mean
rather than following the plan.
what does mean by that principle is it does not mean by you should not have plan. You must have
Right.
plan, but don't only stick with the plan. That is what exactly you need to understand about the agile principle. You must have contract, you must have planning. You don't stick with that like we stick in the traditional project. At the same time,
Right.
you must have plan and collaborate as well with the stakeholders because at end of the project, you are not going to deliver the product, but also you are going to satisfy the stakeholder. And if you want to satisfy, you must have collaboration with them on the daily basis. That is what exactly principle of Agile. So you must have a plan for your PMP exam, and of course,
Right.
collaboration means you must have everyday interaction with your PMP communities wherever you are so that you can share knowledge, you can get the knowledge from others. You must have interaction with your instructor or mentor, whoever is, so that you can get some strategy, you can get some tips and use it to fast track your preparation, right? So that is what we can use the
Correct.
agile and traditional example here.
So I can say PMP is like a hybrid kind of project.
Yes.
So there you have to you have to apply the
Both.
predictive nature also, because plan should
Yeah.
be there.
Yeah.
You should read many whatever the contents which is given, and the whatever iterative and incremental things, whatever things are there, that you have to apply in the mock test. So so it's a hybrid kind of
Yeah, it's hybrid.
plan, we can say.
Even if you see, even what is the
Yes,
agile nature is time and budget is fixed, even in the agile. So you must
correct.
have to fix your PMP preparation timeline. As I told you, I have
Right.
seen people in my mentorship program, they have came to me after 5 years of their training. So you must
Correct.
have to fix your timeline. Also, you can fix your budget. And the scope is your preparation strategy, your tips, your what you are reading, what you are solving the question. So those you can even change. Okay, this source you can read, other source you can read, other source you can solve, right? So as per your mentor instruction suggestion, as per other aspirants who are in your community. So this is what you can say here also if you're taking example of Raza.
Right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Satish, for
Yeah,
joining me
thank
today
you.
and sharing
Right.
all these insights. I'm really enjoying this conversation, and I want to continue it, but of course we can't. We have to stop it here because it is going to be lengthy and people will not watch it. So we have to make it short. And of course, I'm going to connect with you offline, and we are going to be around, of course. So with that, I would say once again, thank you so much for taking your precious time and joining me today and sharing all the insights about PMP. Once again, congratulations for achieving this wonderful PMP certification and wishing you many more success ahead. Satish.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye.